everyone, welcome back. So Harvey's in my room. Say hello. Yeah, and I'm going to do a slime collection from the title, and you can also see I'm showing you where I keep my slime. First things first, let's show you where I keep it. So you guys may know that I have the black drawers here. So I emptied one out and made it a slime drawer. So we got Lillian's accessories, the slime, and her clothes which she don't wear, and then just like random. So yeah, that's where we keep the slime. So in this drawer is where all the slimes are. Let's move Lillian. Right, good boy, Harvey. And then, so we have, how many slimes is it? 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 10 slimes.
I've got one now.
Shh, don't. So we have homemade. Let's start with the homemades. So we have this one, which is, they're all named. This one's Blue Blast.
Yeah.
Harvey, stop.
Do the little one.
No, maybe. Put it back. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so the first one is this one, the dark blue, called Blue Blast. It's a butter slime. There's that one. So we got a butter slime. And then we got this one, which is Blue Raz, which is also a butter slime. And so here it is again, it's a butter slime, like I said. Just put that back in. There's 2. And then we got this one, which is Green Jazz. Actually, that one's 2 slimes, so we've got like 11. I can't remember how many we even had. This one's Green Jazz. This one's really sticky. Ah! I need to get the wipes out. Okay, as I said before, my memory ran out. This is also a butter slime. Let's put that one in. Let's just wipe my hand. Put some blue. Anyway. Yeah, so this is the split one. We got the teal minty colour, as you guys can see. So that's in the top half, which is a butter slime. We got a purple, which is also a butter slime. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butter slime. We have already seen them all now, so I'll just need that. Did not work, sorry guys. If I can't do it this time, then I'll end it and do it. Perfect. And then moving on to the other slimes. So they're called clay, but they feel like slime. So we have the this one I hadn't named. So this one is Yellow Sunshine, and it's really nice. That's Yellow Sunshine. Yeah, so that one's Yellow Sunshine. This is Blue Ocean. Okay, and then next we have the Teal Fluff. This one's like so fluffy. So yeah, there's that one. And then we have the Purple Crystal. This one's also very fluffy. See, they are called summer light clay. But yeah. And then we got Pink Delight. This one's like the firmest. Here's all of them. And then the last one is this one. This one ain't named. But I was thinking calling it Galaxy. So Harvey, you can try it in a minute. Look. It's a noise buddy as well.
What?
It's like purple. It was pink and blue, but it makes to make purple. But I don't care. It's more like a goo, but it makes noises. But hey, there's that. So guys, that's all for this video. Please click like, subscribe, comment below a video idea to get a shout out. We'll see you next time. Bye.